any other world that I've ever existed in, and I don't know how many other worlds I've lived in, but somebody who makes such a catastrophic, stupid decision would be fired and should be indicted and charged. $750,000 she gets. She drains a reservoir? A huge one? A gigantic one? If it's empty, it's impossible to put out a wildfire. Instead, what Eric sent this morning was a link to an LATimes.com page. The 5th Annual Inspirational Women's Forum and Leadership Awards, celebrating women redefining leadership across Los Angeles. This exclusive event brought together LA's top executives, entrepreneurs, and change makers. And they handed out these awards, and they gave one to Janisse Quiñones. The Los Angeles Times gave an award to Janisse Quiñones for her accomplishments as a woman. No, really, it happened. Janisse Quiñones got an award from the LA Times. They reported how incompetent she was at draining the reservoir and not filling it back up. They broke that story. They identified her. It wasn't that long ago. That was this year. And now they decide she gets an award?